Hi everyone, 12 News meteorologist Stephen Matrigrano here with a Weather Now update for you, looking outside Narragansett Town Beach, and we're looking at clouds, some filtered sunshine, not too bad of a day, mainly dry right now, some showers and storms later on today. Surfers out there enjoying the waves though, 5 to 7 foot waves with a moderate rip current risk out there, so be mindful of that if you're entering the water today. Looking outside East Greenwich, again, a quiet look, just lots of clouds around and occasional sunshine. And also out here in Providence, similar story for today. A few passing showers can be ruled out across the area. You can see a few of those on this radar right now, but they're on the light side, kind of just some sprinkle activity tracking through. Temperatures, 70s, now lower 80s in Taunton, 81 there, 79 in New Bedford, 75 on Block Island. Dew points in the 70s as well, so definitely feeling very muggy and humid out there. This morning's forecast for the rest of the morning, looking at, again, a good deal of clouds, limited sunshine, warm and humid, low chances of precip passing on through, temperatures getting to the low 80s for the area by the midday point. For this afternoon, not as hot as it was yesterday, temperatures only in the low to mid 80s inland, thinking upper 70s to near 80 down to the coastline. Spot showers arrive later on this afternoon and into tonight. Thunderstorm chances, though, this evening as we have a frontal system nearby that could give us some of that activity. Bay forecast for your Sunday, again, looking at lots of clouds, gusty winds at times up to about 20 knots, waves 2 to 4 feet in the bays. Visibility lower in late day showers and thunderstorms, so keep that in mind for you boaters out there. Beach forecast, similar story, late day showers. Air temperatures, though, only upper 70s to near 80. Again, moderate rip current risk with those waves anywhere from about 5 to 7 feet. Safe sun index about 45 minutes or so with that cloud cover in place. In other weather news, of course, Tropical Storm Debbie formed on Saturday, now getting its act together, strengthening a bit. Winds of 60 miles per hour with movement northwest about 13. That center is located west of the Florida Keys in the Gulf of Mexico, traveling over very warm water. And that means that this system is looking to develop and strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane. You can see the blossoming of the clouds and the convection, which is the storms, kind of firing up with that center in place. So we're going to be watching this system strengthen into a Category 1 storm before landfall there near the Big Bend area of Florida. Hurricane warnings there. Tropical storm warnings elsewhere along the western side of the Florida coastline. Becomes a tropical storm over land and then looks to maybe make its way back offshore over the warm waters in the Atlantic before perhaps making a second landfall in South Carolina as a tropical storm. And then from this point on, looking at this big giant circle area of, where the forecast track kind of ends, that's because model guidance is really all over the place with this system. Some have it up the coast, some have it further west, some have it stalling out nearby, some have it kind of falling apart. That shows the uncertainty into where Debbie's future goes. We'll, of course, be fine-tuning this forecast as the data comes in every day, numerous times a day, and plenty of time to watch this system to see what happens. But as you can see, this hurricane forecast from the National Hurricane Center has Debbie kind of slowing down and potentially stalling out near the Carolina coastline. So for now, we're in watch mode. We'll just watch this system closely and see what happens. But until then, of course, staying unsettled this week with showers and looking at some cooler temperatures in the 70s for much of the week. So that's a check of your Weather Now update. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.